in Japan. So you're also using Japan technology. Wow. So check it out this day. Culture. You may watch this now as your Ninong and his family.
Good afternoon to all of you. What's up? And this is Denver Ninong Castro. You're watching again Facebook and YouTube, subscribers of Ninong TV. For those who is watching, please click the bell icon and subscribe. And you will see a lot of video blog that is available for educational and entertainment purposes. And now, this is Ninong sa Japan episode 25. We're doing this since 2021 and we're almost 2 years. Wow! So this is the 25th episode that Ninong sa Japan will do. Special video blog with my family and friends and to connect for our dear OFW from Japan and Philippines and some of the information and our special show to see the happenings of our Philippine and country Japan. So this is Ninong sa Japan. And for today's video or episode rather that I will present it to you is me and my family visit the Japan Home Center. Wow. This is something interesting because just like we really film the Japanese city or the country Japan because we are on the place of Japan Home Center to discover the appliances, even food products, toys, and dress and clothes that is available here in the Philippines made from Japan Home Center. But by the way, what is the meaning of our Japan Home Center, especially for our educators and researchers, our students there, our millennial searchers? So, Japan Home Center meaning is a Japan Home Center in the Philippines, first and original Japanese discount store that provides a unique Japanese shopping. We sell branded Japanese products at very low price in contrast. So this is the meaning or the introduction of Japan Home Center for those who is searching and for those looking for Japan Home Center perfect for our OFW and for our kasalubong before we go to Japan or before we go to Philippines. It will is the product of the Japanese. Check it out. Okay, you just witnessed the family trip in Japan Home Center. So this is a good combination and a good invitation for our OFW and non-OFW visits Japan and Philippines, or you're in Philippines and you miss the products of Japan. Now you can buy that on Japan Home Center, on the stores near you, by department store, by mall, so you can check it out. For the next episode that you will witness is the family trip in Tom's World. Okay, this is also a good variation or a good production for our OFW who came back again after years or months from Japan and searching for a good amusement park or a special bonding with your family. So this is Tom's Word. The Tom's Word is we deliver absolute fun and entertainment for everyone. One of the country's fastest growing amusement and recreational center in the Philippines with a wide array of production machines and kiddie rides. So for our OFW, mommy and daddy or ate and kuya who miss to have a family bonding with your barkada, with your family. So this is a good recommendation. Tom's Word that provide and show by sa Japan. So check it out with your family and Ninong and the family goes together for a special bond.
Hi, this is your Nino, and we are here on Tom's World, the place of the toys and the games of the people. And you will discover the people here. Ang saya-saya nila. Together with your Nino and baby princess. Say hi! Alright. So we are here. Tom's World. Place of the people play with the games and the toys. So you will feel younger again. Alright. They have a gun, treasure toys.
Okay, thanks for watching and you've just discovered the Tom's Word. By the way, thank you for those who is watching and subscribing for our FW and for our watcher from Japan. If you missed this something, you can watch this again on my YouTube and Facebook, and you can download this video blog to YouTube. Just PM me and how to download it, and the process is only 150 pesos Philippine money and 80 pesos for screen record. So if you will download this, that's already your own video. You can be this video, you will become your pasalubong to your family that this is the show. Ninong sa Japan is now available to connect the Philippine country to Japan for our OFW and especially kamustahan session, how's Philippines now, how's Japan now through this video blog. So just pay me on Denver Ninong Castro and I will reply you as long as we are all legit here, so I am not accepting any illegal or alien communication here. Okay? So, for the next episode, the last but not the least is the BBM's visit to Japan. So, your President of the Philippines, Mr. President Bongbong Marcos Jr., is visiting Japan, and luckily for our OFW who visit or who was there working, traveling, or living there, and just seeing the President of the Philippines. Now I will give you the floor for the happenings of our two countries, Japan and Philippines, to reunite and to see each other. The President BBM goes here in Japan not only for some important matters or meeting, but this is investment to help the Philippine country to rise up again because of pandemic or because of the crisis. So this is the one that we will discover on our next video vlog.
Salamat, maraming pong salamat. At alam niyo po, yung mga yung mga kailyang ko nandito sa harap. Alam niyo po, dahil napakalaki, napakaganda ng inyong pagsuporta po, ay hindi po namin may babawi yan. Kasi ang may susukli namin sa naging suporta ninyo sa amin ay yung aming gagawing trabaho para pagandahin ang buhay ng ating mga kababayan sa Pilipinas. At ang aking pangarap talaga ay masabi na natin na sapat ang trabaho sa Pilipinas at pagka nagkaroon ng OFW, pagka ang isang Pilipino ay nag-abroad para magtrabaho, na pumunta sa abroad, hindi na pilitang pumunta sa abroad dahil may trabaho, may magandang buhay sa ating bansa. Yan po ang ating pangarap, yan po ang ating hinahabol para sa Pilipinas. Kaya po kami nagdala po kami ng delegasyon upang nga ay kausapin ang ating mga kaibigan dito sa Japan mula sa pamahalaan, mula sa mga malalaking korporasyon na nandyan. At sinasabi namin na maganda na ngayon ang sitwasyon sa Pilipinas. Nakaahon kami sa mga problemang hinarap natin nung pandemya, nung lockdown. Mabuti dito sa Japan, hindi nag-lockdown. Meron din. Doon sa atin, sa Pilipinas, yung pinakamahabang lockdown sa buong mundo sa atin. Kaya yun nga, binibida nga namin sa ating mga kaibigan na nakakaahon na ang Pilipinas at gumaganda na ang takbo ng ekonomiya. Para naman kaya pinapatibay natin ang ating pagpartner sa kanila. Kaya po, ang kasama ko po, halos lahat ng kabinete nandito na. Dahil po kailangan na ipaliwanag natin sa kanilang lahat kung ano ang sitwasyon ngayon sa Pilipinas at kung paano na makapagtulungan ang Pilipinas at saka ng Japan. Kaya ko po sinama ang karamihan ng ating, lalo na yung ating economic team nandito, pati na ang mga legislator natin. Unang-una, ipapakilala ko ang napakalaking tulong dito sa aming mga biyahe at
Okay, thank you for watching, and this is your Denver Ninong Castro in Ninong sa Japan, episode 25. Together with your family and friends watching this from Japan and Philippines, and hopefully I'll give you a good variety of entertainment, educational, and of course, this is also a connection for our OFW from Japan and Philippines. So God bless all of you, and see you for another episode, because this is for almost 25th flight that Ninong sa Japan is doing. So, mushi mushi, arigato to all of you once again. Ninong sa Japan is serving you since 2021, and our Philippine time today is 3:40, and in Japan is 4:40 p.m. So, this is a good variety that we are having a connection of Japan and Philippines through this video blog. I hope you've learned something, and I hope you just discover. You may share this video blog, you may download, and you may buy this. Just PM me, and I will reply to you. So thank you and mabuhay. And this is Ninong sa Japan, episode 25. Sayonara and arigato to all of our watchers.